Thank you for signing up for the R4 program. In this video, you'll become familiarized with the products that come in your R4 starter kit and also how to request shipping labels to send in an R4 shipment. To start, you're going to have 3 large buckets. These are for ferrous metals. Each bucket will have a lock associated with it. These lock numbers are important. These are the identifiers for the different shipments you'll be sending in. You're going to want to fill up the bucket as much as you can. After you've filled it up, go ahead and place the lid and securely tighten. Go ahead and insert your lock into the small hole and feed it through. And make sure you securely fasten on the other side. In your R4 starter kit, you'll also receive 2 small containers. These are for non-ferrous metals. Each small container will have a box and an associated tamper sticker. These tamper stickers have numbers, and just like the large buckets with their locks, the numbers on these tamper stickers are associated with the containers you'll be sending in. You'll also receive a mortar and pestle. These are for bone fragments that were not completely pulverized in the processor. Go ahead and place them inside, grind down to the best of your ability. You're going to dump the remains into your R4 sifter. Shake thoroughly and collect all the small metal fragments that are left in the sifter and place into your R4 small non-ferrous container. You're going to want to fill up your small container as much as you can, at least 3/4 way before you send in the shipment. Before placing the small container into the box, go ahead and place on your scale. If you do not have one, we'll provide one for you. This is important because you're going to want your photo that you upload into the shipment to match the weight on the scale. Once you've taken the photo, securely tighten the container, place into the box, and close. You're going to want to sign and date the R4 tamper sticker and place securely on the edge. Make sure to rub this tightly to ensure that nothing is tampered with. Stay tuned, we're going to show you how to use the R4 app. Here, you'll request a shipping label so you can send in your R4 shipment. In order to request shipping labels and send in a R4 shipment, click on R4 Program, then click New Shipment. Here you'll see small containers and large buckets that were assigned to your account. This is when you reference the lock number or tamper sticker number. Click on the container and number that you wish to send in. Take note that for a ferrous or large bucket, you will not have to input weight, but you will have to input a photo. For a non-ferrous or small container, you will have to input weight and a photo. When you are finished uploading the contents, click Submit Shipment. You'll be asked to confirm, and when the shipment has been submitted properly, we will email you a tracking label. Thank you for choosing the R4 program. If you have any more questions, please reach out to your sales representative. We're happy to help.